Imagine moving an entire airport, not just the planes, but every single chair, scanner and staff member all in one night. Sounds impossible, right? But in April 2019, Istanbul did exactly that, and here's how they pulled off what seemed unthinkable. It started years before, when Turkey realized Ataturk Airport simply couldn't handle more passengers. The old airport was boxed in, with no room to grow, and by 2018, it was already serving over 68 million travelers a year. So the country made a bold move, built a brand new airport, 40 kilometers away, designed to become the world's largest. Istanbul Airport would eventually serve 200 million people every year, but that meant the biggest challenge wasn't just building it. It was moving everything, and everyone, from the old airport to the new one, without missing a beat. Step 1. Years of planning. This wasn't just a group project, it was a national operation. Government officials, engineers, airlines, logistics experts, air traffic controllers, all collaborating on what they called the Great Migration. They cataloged every item at Ataturk, right down to the last chair, and plotted where it would go at Istanbul Airport. Next, they made sure the new airport was ready to hit the ground running. As move day approached, teams tested every system from baggage handling to security checkpoints and trained staff with military precision. Then came the big moment, 2 a.m., April 6, 2019. Ataturk closed its doors to commercial flights. Instantly, thousands of workers leapt into action. They dismantled equipment, packed up 47,000 tons of gear, yes, 47,000 tons, and loaded it onto hundreds of trucks. Meanwhile, more than 100 aircraft were shepherded to the new airport, each move coordinated down to the minute. And it wasn't just about stuff. Over 1,800 buses carried thousands of staff to their new workplace, making sure every role was filled for opening day. Once the trucks arrived, teams reassembled everything like clockwork, and technicians ran final tests on every crucial system. All of this happened in just 33 hours. By the time the sun rose, the new Istanbul airport was open for business, a gleaming high-tech marvel, ready to welcome passengers from around the globe. And the results? Minimal disruption, millions of journeys uninterrupted, and Istanbul instantly established as a global aviation powerhouse. This wasn't just a move, it was a masterclass in teamwork, logistics, and the kind of ambition that changes how we think about what's possible.